HP PageWide XL Pro Printers, how to print one-sided posters with the ONYX RIP. To create a basic one-sided poster, select the destination printer from the top menu and the paper's source, example, roll or sheet feeder. To import the files you want to print from your system, click Open and select them. You'll see them appear in the main frame. You may have to fit a plot to the paper size, adjusting it to the paper loaded in the feeder. To change the settings of a job, right-click on it and select Job Properties. This window allows you to configure your jobs as demanded by adjusting parameters such as size, orientation, media quality, or till marks. Now that all the jobs are ready and waiting to be printed in the job queue, you can print them one by clicking the Print Now button. Printing manually is the default setting. Also, if you want to print all the jobs after being processed, change the triggering settings by clicking on the placement gear, then select Automatically Start Printing from the printing options, and click OK. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.